In this beginner's guide, we will talk about condos and houses. You will read about the main differences between them. We will help you learn about ownership, what you need to take care of, and things to think about when you are choosing which one to get. You will also find a simple step-by-step guide to help you buy a home. We will show you the good and bad sides of each one and answer common questions to help you pick the best choice for you. By the end of this guide, you will know the big differences when choosing between a condo and a house. You will also have the facts needed to pick what is best for your way of life and your money plans. Let's get started and take a look at condos and houses. Exploring the basics. Condo versus house. When thinking about condo versus house, you need to understand the main points. Both are homes that you can own, but there are a lot of things that make them different. A condo is one unit inside a bigger building. It is often like an apartment. If you own a condo, you only own your unit. You do not own the building or the land under it. A house is also called a single-family home. A house stands on its own and is often on its own land. That is why it is real property that has its own entrance. A house can give you more privacy and space. A condo lets you use shared things with others, and you do not have to do as much work to fix things in the building. Key differences between condos and houses. There are some important differences between houses and condos. The way you own and take care of them is not the same. A condo usually has a group called the Condo Association. The group makes rules that each condo owner has to follow. The Condo Association takes care of things like the lobby, halls, and parking. Everyone with a condo gives a fee every month. This money goes to keep up these places they all use. Houses, on the other hand, are not handled by a condo group. A house can be a part of a group called a Homeowners Association, HO. This group makes some rules for the people who live there, but the house owner has to take care of the home and look after things like yard work and any extras outside the house. Homeowners pay property taxes to the local government. They can also buy home insurance if they want to keep their money safe. Knowing these main differences helps you decide how much say and duty you want when picking between a condo and a house. Ownership structure and responsibilities. Owning a condo and owning a house are not the same. There are different ways you own them. You also have different things to take care of. Here are the main ways that they are not alike. Condo ownership. People who own condos just own the unit where they stay, not the whole building or the land under it. Condo owners are in a condo association. The group sets up the rules and how things are done in the community. Condo owners have to pay fees every month to the condo association. These fees help pay for things everyone uses, like taking care of shared spaces. House ownership. House owners have the whole place. This means they have the land and the home on it. House owners have to take care of all work and fixes on the property. This is for both inside and outside of the house. House owners give property taxes right to the local government. The amount depends on what the place is worth.